Hello student, welcome to the 10th episode of Learning Python Programming. In our last video, we understood how for loop is different from while loop. We also learned how to use loops to draw different geometrical shapes. In this video, we will learn how to draw a star using the functions of loop.
Hello students. Previously we did activities to draw shape with 8 sides and 16 sides using for loops. Now we will try to draw star using loops. Before coding, let's try to understand the concept. The angle made in 16-sided shape is 22.5, which is an interior angle. Let's first understand what is exterior angle. It is an angle between a side of polygon and an extended adjacent side as shown in figure. Now try to draw 16-sided shape using exterior angle, and here is the code for it. Import turtle library. Create the turtle and save it in variable t. Make star with for loop. It should repeat for 16 times. Use forward function with 100 steps and left function with angle 157.5. Run the code and here is the output. Wonderful students, you did it so well. You studied how to use for loops and reduce the number of lines in code. Have fun with coding.
Wow, a 16-sided star, and that too drawn with just a few lines of code. There is only one thing to do now: practicing the shape on your own. Here's a star from me in advance for your wonderful efforts. Log in into Clever's AI Lab, draw as many shapes as you want and understand the concept, and write your own code. Step 1. Visit www.ailabs.com. Step 2. Click here to sign up and enter your details. Step 3. After registering, you will receive verification email. Once you verify your email, you will get the credential to log in and start creating your first Python project. Happy coding!